In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin location in Google Maps. Pinning a spot is perfect for saving a meetup point, marking a trailhead, or remembering exactly where you parked. I'll walk you through the process on mobile and share a few tips so your pin lands exactly where you want it. Start by launching the Google Maps app on your phone. Give it a moment to load your current area. If you want to pin a place that isn't near you, drag the map or use the search bar to move to the general area first. Zoom in for better accuracy. The closer you are, the easier it is to tap the precise spot. If you're working in a place with few landmarks, switching to satellite view can help you line up the pin with real-world features like buildings, trails, or shorelines. When you're looking at the right area, press and hold on the map where there isn't already a label or icon. Aim for a blank section of the map. If a place name pops up, it means you tapped an existing listing. Try nudging the map slightly and long press again in an empty spot. Take your time here. Accuracy now saves you from adjusting later. After a successful long press, you'll see a red pin appear at that location. A small panel slides up from the bottom, showing details like the coordinates and, when available, an address or area name. If the pin looks slightly off, zoom closer and repeat the long press at the exact point you want. Small movements can make a big difference, especially in dense urban areas or on trails. From the bottom menu, you can tap directions to navigate straight to the pin. Choose your travel mode, driving, walking, transit, or cycling, and preview the route before you start. If you need to let someone else know where to go, tap Share to send the exact coordinates or a map link through your preferred app. Sharing coordinates is especially useful for places without a formal address, like a campsite or a beach access point. To keep this location handy for the future, type a name for it. Give it something meaningful, like fishing spot or hidden entrance, so it's easy to recognize later. Once named, the pin is saved to your map and shows up as a blue flag. It's private to your account and will sync across your devices, making it easy to find again whenever you need it. That's all there is to it. Simple, accurate, and reliable.